Volcanoes don't just produce lava flows. Some of the most important events produce volcanoclastic and pyroclastic material, which are effectively igneous sediments. So much of the material that volcanologists look at is actually fragmentary material, so it's really the sedimentary processes that are just as important as looking at the igneous petrology. The youngest age of the Valle del Bove, okay, was probably about that age, 7,000 to 8,000 years old, because most of this material would have been washed out of the Valle del Bove. Once it's just one great big huge landslide that formed the Valle del Bove, and if you look at the scalloped morphology, particularly of the southern rim, you can see that there's a scallop there. We'll talk about that more when we go up on the volcano. So this is in the Chiancone formation, and we're looking at a series of fluvial deposits, and within those, interbedded within those fluvial deposits, are some primary ashfall layers. I mean, pretty much you've got to consider all of this one eruption because you've got nothing else. And the preservation of some of these layers is really, really low. So any time period, this stuff's going to get washed away. Really fine grain ones are probably kind of pauses from big events where the stuff settled out. But these are kind of little explosions. All these slightly finer grain, this coarse and fine stuff. So we can see a series of thin ash layers, some really fine-grained ash layers, but also some coarser, medium-grained ashfall layers that represent explosive eruptions, possibly hydromagmatic explosive eruptions that were formed contemporaneous with the deposition of these fluvial deposits associated with the Chiancone formation. The fact that we've got 0.5 metre deposit here 20 kilometres away means that it's a significant event associated with the history of the volcano. So really quite an important event with a particular type of style of activity which is not occurring now. It's a different style of activity.